Hello friends, I am Dr. Sachin Kuber from circumcision-clinic.in website in Pune city, Maharashtra and India. I am talking today about one important surgery that is called as dorsal slit surgery. And friends, this surgery is also very important for the patients who are suffering from phimosis or non-retracting foreskin or BXO or the paraphimosis. So many times what happens, the people are very scared of circumcision and they don't want to undergo a complete circumcision. So according to many religions, the circumcision is not advised. So people who don't want to do circumcision but facing the foreskin problems like tight foreskin or the non-retracting foreskin or sometimes the congenital phimosis, and for those patients we can certainly go for dorsal slit surgery. Another point is some people have tight foreskin and sometimes there is phimosis. So sometimes what happens that patients forcibly retract the foreskin over the glans penis, and after forcefully retraction, like it may happen during masturbation or it may happen during sexual intercourse, that the skin remains behind, it cannot come forward, and in such conditions the skin forms a ring behind the glans penis and there is a big swelling or the edema that occurs, and that is called as paraphimosis. So this dorsal slit surgery is also recommended for the patients having a lot of swelling due to the tight foreskin which is stuck behind the glans penis. So to relieve that obstruction of the foreskin, we can certainly do a dorsal slit surgery, in which dorsal means upper part, slit means a small cut surgery. So the skin above the glans penis is cut in halfway position and stitches are put there. So this surgery, dorsal slit surgery, relieves the obstruction caused by the tight foreskin or paraphimosis condition immediately. So because of this, the patients immediately get relieved of the obstruction caused by tight foreskin or phimosis or paraphimosis. So this is very useful for the patients who don't want to undergo a complete circumcision. Also, there are few pros and cons that I will discuss later in this video. But the people who are not preferring circumcision, maybe because of religious problems or religious views or any other like shyness, or they don't want to lose their foreskin completely, so those patients can think about the dorsal slit surgery, and it is very useful in today's condition. So best pro, like the benefits are the immediate relief of the important obstruction of the foreskin. The opening in the foreskin is small, immediately it becomes bigger, so that foreskin can easily retract behind the glans penis. Number two, if there is a phimosis or paraphimosis like condition, because of this immediately paraphimosis or the swelling can be reduced, the function of the foreskin is restored, and the patient also has feeling of the foreskin because it is not completely cut, it is just kept open, the opening is made bigger. So this helps in many patients. Only the cons are like disadvantages are the skin becomes not elastic, it loses its elasticity and it may lose and hang and cause dog ears like this. So it may hang in future, say after 6 months or 1 year, it may hang in the future and it looks ugly. Apart from that, the function is restored, patient has the foreskin, and this is also very useful surgery. It is done in around 10 minutes and a small cut is taken, few stitches are put and those are self-dissolving stitches which can fall down in 7 to 15 days, and after the healing the opening becomes bigger. So it is very easy for the patient, without losing the foreskin, the obstruction of the foreskin and the glans penis can be relieved. So this is very useful. You can contact us via WhatsApp or by calling our phone helpline, that is 98238 and be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video so that the needy patients can get information and they can reach us. We are open all days of the week and a year, and we can certainly help you to relieve your problems, and we do this kind of surgery. So it is absolutely painless and without any problems. It does not have any bad side effects, and you will be easily relieved of the obstruction caused by the foreskin of the penis. So thank you for watching the video. Thanks.